how to hide followers on Instagram. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel App Guide. In today's video I will guide you on how you can hide followers on Instagram, so just make sure to watch the video till the end. So in order to actually hide followers on Instagram, you can actually hide it from the general public, but not the people who already follow you. So basically, when you open up Instagram over here and then you come to the profile page, you can see I have got this much followers. So if I want to hide it, I can do it from the general public by making my account private. But even if your account is private and then you accept follow requests from some people, they'll be able to view your follower and following list. But at least what this will do is that you can hide it from the general public, which means if you don't want the public to see the people that follow you and they're following you list as well, you can do that by tapping on the three lines icon, going to settings, going to option called privacy, turning on private account. When you turn on private account over here, no one else will be able to view your following and follower list as long as they don't follow you, and it is up on you to accept them as your following or not. And this is simply how you can go ahead and then hide followers on Instagram. We hope the video was really helpful, and if it did help you, then make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the channel. If you have any questions, then feel free to leave them down. Thank you very much for watching and see you in the next video.